What if I told you that you could create gallery-worthy artwork without touching a pencil? Art tools are revolutionizing how creatives work, and today, we're showing you exactly how to master them. Art generators aren't replacing artists, they're amplifying creativity. From concept sketches to final masterpieces, these tools let you iterate faster, experiment bolder, and unlock ideas you never thought possible. Whether you're a designer, illustrator, or curious creator, opens doors to unlimited visual possibilities. Midjourney delivers cinematic quality. DALL-E excels at diverse styles. Stable Diffusion offers creative control. Runway adds animation magic. Each tool has strengths. The key is matching the tool to your vision. We'll break down which one fits your creative workflow and why prompt engineering is your superpower. Your prompt is everything. Be specific, describe style, mood, composition, lighting, and details. Instead of a cat, try a photorealistic tabby cat in golden hour sunlight. Cinematic depth of field, trending on ArtStation. Specificity breeds brilliance. Test variations, refine iteratively, and watch your vision come to life in seconds. Pro artists use AWE strategically, generating mood boards, exploring color palettes, rapid prototyping concepts, and enhancing existing work. Active prototyping concepts and enhancing existing work. AWE handles the heavy lifting. Your artistic vision steers the ship. This hybrid approach amplifies both speed and quality. Subscribe, like this video, and comment which tool you're trying first.